Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and analysis. In today's episode, we'll be taking a close look at the Dell OptiPlex 7010 Mini Business Desktop. The Dell OptiPlex 7010 Mini Business Desktop is a compact and powerful computing solution designed for business use. Let's dive into the key features and specifications of this product. The heart of this mini desktop is the Intel Core i5-13500T processor, boasting 14 cores and 20 threads. With a base frequency of 1.20 GHz and a max turbo frequency of up to 4.60 GHz, this processor ensures smooth and efficient performance. Equipped with 16 GB of DDR4 memory, the OptiPlex 7010 is ready to handle demanding workloads with ease. The 256 GB PCIe SSD provides ample storage space for your digital photos, music library, and document files. The Dell OptiPlex 7010 offers a variety of connectivity options, including 4x SuperSpeed USB Type-A ports and 2x USB Type-A 2.0 ports for your peripherals. It also features 1x DisplayPort and 1x HDMI for connecting external displays, ensuring versatility in your workspace. This mini desktop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, providing a powerful platform to efficiently run routine applications. The compact design of the OptiPlex 7010 makes it ideal for businesses with limited space. It measures just 19 by 5 by 9 inches and weighs 2.4 pounds, making it easy to fit into any setup. The product comes with a 3-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. Please note that this product does not include Wi-Fi, so a wired connection is necessary. The Dell OptiPlex 7010 is available in various configurations, with options for different amounts of RAM and SSD storage. The model we discussed is priced at $552, offering excellent value for its performance. In conclusion, the Dell OptiPlex 7010 Mini Business Desktop is a reliable and efficient computing solution for businesses. Its powerful processor, ample memory, and compact design make it a suitable choice for various work environments. Thank you for joining us on Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product reviews in the future. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on this product, please leave a comment below. We value your feedback.